I didn't start my business with money. I started with a decision. Decision that most people avoid. Decision to leave debt. As a Muslim, I made a commitment. I didn't want to build my life or my business on riba. No bank loan, no investor, no shortcut. And honestly, that decision made everything harder. Because when you don't have money, you don't have safety. But at the same time, it made me sharper, more focused, and more creative. When you don't have resources, you are forced to think. At the time, if I convert to US dollar, I only had around $60. That's it. Imagine this. You want to build a business, but only have $60. No team, no office, no system. Most people will say it's impossible. But I didn't ask, is it possible? I asked, how can I make it possible? And the question changed everything. Instead of thinking big, I start thinking small, very small. There's a concept in business. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can do. I didn't try to build a big company. I focused on one simple thing, a product that solves a real problem. At the time, fuel prices were increasing. People were feeling the pressure. Every day, spend money on fuel and they want to save. That's clear pain. And where there is pain, there is opportunity. So I created a simple product, a fuel-saving solution. The brand is Cleanos. Not complicated, not high-tech, but useful. And this is something very important in business. You don't need perfect product. You need a useful product. Think about it like this. When someone is thirsty, they don't care about branding. They just need water. Utility first, perfection later. Now here is where most people miss the game. The real game in business is not just selling, it's margin. At the time, I produced one unit for around $0.5 and I sold it for around $5. Almost 10 times margin. Let me explain why this is powerful. Imagine two people. Person A sells a product for $1 with profit 10 cents. Person B sells a product with $5 with profit $4. Who will go faster? Of course, person B, because every sale give energy. Profit is like oxygen in business. Without it, you cannot grow. With high margin, you can survive mistakes. You can reinvest. You can move faster. And this is exactly what happened to me. I didn't have capital, but I created cash flow. Sell one, get profit, use profit to produce more. Sell again, more profit, and repeat. It's like planting seed. If you only have one seed, you plant it, it grows. Give you more seed, then you plant again. Over time, it becomes a farm. That's how business grow. Not from big capital, but from consistent reinvestment. Within 5 months, that small business generate more $100,000 from $60 to over $100,000. Not years, in months. Let me be honest with you. It was not easy. It didn't suddenly become successful. There were days I was confused. I didn't know what to do. Days I made wrong decision. Sometimes the product didn't sell. Sometimes I made mistake in selling. But every mistake gave me feedback. And this is something you must understand. Failure in business is not opposite of success. It's a part of success. If you study many entrepreneurs, you will see the same pattern. They try, they fail, they learn and improve. It's like going to gym. At first time, you lift weight, it's hard, painful, uncomfortable. But that pain, what makes you stronger. Business is the same. Every challenge is building your skill. Now, let me summarize what really made the difference. First, I didn't wait for capital. I start with what I had. Second, I focus on solving real problem, not trying to be impressive. And third, I choose high margin products so I can go faster. And fourth, I execute fast. I didn't overthink. Yeah, because overthinking is the biggest killer of action. Many people today are stuck, not because they are not smart, but because they are think too much. They watch too many videos, read too many ideas, plan too much, but they never move. Brother and sister, business is simple. Find a problem over a solution. Sell it, improve it, repeat. That's it. You don't need perfect knowledge. You need real action. My journey started with $60. But the real starting point was not money. It was decision. A decision to start. So if you are watching this right now and you feel like you don't have not enough money, not enough knowledge, not enough confidence, remember this. You don't need to be ready. You just need to start. Start small, start simple, and start now. If you want to learn how to build business from zero, how to choose the right product, and how to grow step by step even with low capital, just subscribe this channel. I will share everything I've learned, and see you in the next video.